All right, so this is the Rough Country 2-inch leveling kit. It's the bottom spacer, the anodized red because that's what they have in stock. And these are 33, 12, 50, 18 with the LTZ wheels, I believe they are. Turned out really good. I do plan to remove the running boards on my truck. And I'm thinking about actually going 35s next because I do plan to add a 3.5-inch suspension lift. But these are 33, 12, 50, 18 X-Comp Gladiators. They're a mud terrain tire. I got them used with the wheels. So they are worn down a little bit. About 50% tread. And I'll show y'all. So if you come under the truck, there is the leveling kit. That's all it is a little spacer lift on the bottom. Now they do make a top spacer lift, and they also make, so they make the bottom and the top spacer lift, and then they also make a regular lift kit for these. But for 30 bucks, I went this route because I do plan to add a actual lift kit on it here in the near future.